Hello and welcome to the AROMS Coda feature. This is a video guide to show you how easy it is to set up your personal admin portal. Let's get started. To log into your admin portal, click the Login button at the top of the screen. Be sure to select that you are an admin before entering your email address. You can now log in with your email address you used on the intake form. Welcome to your admin portal. This is what your screen will look like after you have logged in. Your program name will be at the top. You can easily assign lectures to your residents by simply checking the boxes next to the specific lectures. Be sure to click the Assign Lectures button before going to the next unit. If you wish to unassign a lecture, just unselect the checkbox and click the Assign Lectures button again. Let's click on the Resident tab at the top of the screen. Here you will see your unique program access code. This numerical code will be given to residents to use so they can link up to your admin portal. Directions for them to use are listed here. After they have been linked, their names will appear in a list here. It will also show which lectures they have completed and the last time they logged into the AROMS platform. To add an additional admin to your portal, simply click on the Admin tab at the top of the screen. Click the Add an Admin button and enter the name and email address of the faculty member you'd like to add. They will get an email invitation to set up their account. I have logged in as if I were a resident to show how they will link up to the admin portal. Their name will be at the top of the screen. When they click on the Account Info tab at the top, they will be able to edit any of their information here. Below that, there is the option to join a program. Once they click that, they can enter the unique numerical program access code. If we go back to the Account Info tab, we can now see that they have linked to their program and they can see how many lectures have been assigned. Back in the admin portal, we can click on the Residents tab again. Since the resident has been linked, you can now see their name, completed lectures, and the last time they were logged into the AROMS platform. We hope this video was helpful as you begin setting up your admin portal using the new AROMS Coda feature. Reach out to our customer service team with any questions or comments by emailing info@goaroms.com.